So there we have the 25 entries for the draw of the bottle opener competition. But as they say,
there can be only one.
So I've got myself a little app that's going to randomise all those names and pick the one lucky winner. If the winner could please email me at this address and I'll get it posted out to you as soon as I can. Good luck.
And you can liberate your nuts. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. This one, I will film the deconstruction. If you like classic Volkswagens, air-cooled Volkswagens, motorcycles, or watching people with excessive facial hair work in their garage, then you need to subscribe to this channel.